In this video, we're going over what to do if your LG Stylo 6 screen freezes. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you what to do if your LG Stylo 6 screen freezes. This is kind of tough because this phone, you can't just take the battery out to restart the phone. So it's a little frustrating if the screen isn't working or part of it is non-responsive. So I'm going to show you how to do what's called a soft reset, which will just restart the phone and usually will fix whatever glitch is happening that's stopping you from using the screen. So what you're going to do is hold down on the volume down button and the power button. Now the instructions say for 45 seconds or until the phone restarts. So let me walk you through how to do it now. We're going to hold it. And the first thing it will do is take a screenshot and just keep holding the button. And this pop-up will show up at the bottom of the screen. Continue to hold the buttons until the phone fully restarts. And now you can let go of the buttons and the phone will just fully restart itself. And give it maybe 30 seconds and you should be back to your main lock screen, and hopefully it will have cleared up whatever problem you were having that was stopping the screen from working. So hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.